One status of the king between each column, so say I'm role of Egypt. So my status is So now we can go in. We'll look, we're gonna see all the columns destroyed. Enemies. I can roll canton, I'm still strong, so I'm not weak. Okay, so we can make videos together. You together. You wanna do that or no?
Not so much.
I make
Comment below if you know what's going on. Slabs down here are pretty eroded, and then at the top, pretty pristine looking. We've got Dan the engineer on the job, but I'm stumped. It's pretty rare to see hieroglyphics still with colour.
There is people now believe for the 7 chakras oil, but if you look for the stuff here, look for the hands here and hand is.
You're gonna be alright getting through that doorway, mate. Health and safety, I need yeah, we'll talk to the managers on the way out.
ما تمشيش قبلي. لا الفكرة ده بالنسبة للهرم اللي بتحصل عليه. أنا مش عايزة أطلع حاجة، أنا عايزة أطلع. دنيا صوتك يا دنيا.
Maybe just a brief space to stand up here. We visited the Oriental Carpet School. Photos were limited inside, but we saw some carpets in there in excess of $40,000 US.
Once more in slow motion.
We then came to a Egyptian essence maker, Siwa, an essence maker, and they've got all sorts of what I guess we'd call essential oils that you can burn in these fancy little burners. Another day, same place, same meal, koshery round 2. Let's get amongst it.